I want to introduce myself. I'm Mr. Lu.
Your name is
Story.
Chinese.
Yeah, my name is Lu. My first name is Gao. They call me Gao Lu.
Gosing Gaulu.
No, Gao Lu.
Gosing Gaulu.
What's Gosing Gao Lu?
Singkong Lugaw.
What's that?
Galing ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Can you say hi, please? Introduce yourself. Okay.
Hello.
Oh,
Good
what's your
morning.
name?
It's live.
Yeah.
Live.
No, it's just a video. Okay. Oh, you introduce yourself.
My name is Romil.
Oh, Ramil.
Yeah.
Okay, how
You,
old are you?
It's only 55.
Oh, you don't look like 55. You look
Why?
like 54, huh? Very good, huh? So traffic here in the Philippines, very
Yeah.
bad, huh?
But why China? No traffic?
Beijing, very traffic. Macau also very traffic. Shenzhen.
Same Philippines?
Yeah, same Philippines. Okay. So, can you teach me some Filipino language? I haven't had time to speak, especially if I court a girl, huh? What's beautiful in Tagalog?
It's a maganda.
It's maganda.
What?
Maganda.
Oh, maganda.
Oh.
Maganda. So you're maganda.
No, no. Pogi.
What?
Pogi.
Only in women.
Females
Oh,
only.
maganda.
Yeah, maganda.
Oh, how come you're so good in English? I love it.
Okay.
So woman,
Women.
beautiful.
Yeah.
When man,
Handsome.
handsome.
Yes.
Handsome. Yeah.
So,
Pogi.
oh, pogi. Me, pogi.
Yeah.
Okay, ha. Thank you so much.
Maganda is refers to a woman.
Oh, woman only, maganda.
Yeah.
For man, pogi.
Pogi.
Okay, ha.
Handsome.
So you're Romel.
Yeah.
Oh, how about the, all of the people at the back? Can you introduce yourself? Oh, say hi to my vlog. Okay.
I'm Aris.
Oh, Aris.
Yeah.
Oh, nice meeting you, Aris, yeah. How about the guy on the center? The very husky.
Jake, Joaquin. Joaquin.
What?
You changed
Joaquin.
already your name?
Yeah. No, not yet. I want to introduce myself. I'm Mr. Lu.
Your name is
Story.
Chinese.
Yeah, my name is Lu. My first name is Gao. They call me Gao Lu.
Gosing Gaulu.
No, Gao Lu.
Gosing Gaulu.
What's Gosing Gao Lu?
Singkong Lugaw.
What's that?
Cinco?
What?
Gosing?
What?
Coins?
Cinco coins.
Coins?
What's
Philippine
that?
money? Coins?
Really?
Oh,
I haven't
You
seen
buy a... Oh.
5
Hello?
centavos.
Sige.
Oh, you're talking to your wife, huh? You're being checked, huh?
Friend lang, friend.
Oh, friend. Now friend, tomorrow lover.
Yeah.
Okay, very
It's
good.
Very good, no? It's nice guy, no?
What?
3 years you driving taxi? 2 years?
Here's already.
Here? Here
Yeah.
in Philippines?
Yes, here in the Philippines. We're in the Philippines, right? Are we in other country? We're talking about here, huh? Okay, huh? So, Aris, Joaquin, how about you, son?
Nelson.
I'm Nelson.
Me?
You're the Joaquin.
Joaquin.
I'm your Nelson.
Nelson.
Okay, huh? Well, thank you. All of you are married.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm separated.
Wow! Why separated?
Huh?
Babaero.
Her wife,
don't wanna live with
her
her
wife
anymore.
don't like her anymore.
Oh, the wife doesn't like him anymore.
I don't wanna live with her anymore.
Are you married in church?
Yeah.
Well, you should try to do something to reconcile, huh?
No, I don't want to.
No, God will punish you.
Yeah, it's a secret.
Yeah, secret only.
That will punish me.
This is according to the Bible. Whatever
Yeah.
God keep
But-
together.
If you were not happy, why not letting her go?
Wow. I'm so amazed with you guys. You're all construction, but your English are very good. You're just.
Nagugulat siya, no?
I'm just.
Ibang klase, no? Construction boy lang, no?
You're just pulling me, huh? You're not construction. Maybe you're.
How about you? You study English in China?
Well, just in China.
Just
Yeah.
little.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
I speak
because
English.
I love to read. That's why I was
Yeah,
able
yes.
to, learn basic English
Yes,
language.
yeah.
So, maganda. Oh, what else? What Filipino words can you tell me?
Tara, tagay tayo.
What?
Tara, tagay tayo.
Tara.
Tagay tayo.
You drink?
Tagay.
Let's drink sake.
Say happy.
What sake? Sake is for the Japanese, I
Yeah.
think, ha?
Let's drink wine. You drink
Let's.
wine?
No, I don't drink. You know, I don't have alcohol
Really?
in my body. Yeah, yeah. That's why you can see I'm sexy. I don't drink wine because you know it affects me. You know, I hate bitter taste because I'm a sweet lover. Yeah, I just love sweet.
Filipino are very rich in car.
Oh, very.
You know, yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
reason why there's traffic.
Yeah.
They're saying Philippines is a poor country, but a
Yeah.
lot of
Yeah.
people are driving
They're
cars.
saying,
I really love you. You're so very
only
much-
poor, only poor is poor.
What? Only poor
Only
is
poor is poor
Really?
Philippines, oh yeah.
in the Philippines.
Pero more,
What is
more
poor?
is mahirap.
Poor is mahirap. There's
Mahirap.
No,
Mahirap.
no food to eat, no money.
I thought this poor is after three, 4, 5, right?
Discount? Yeah, 1, 2,
You're a
3, 4,
joker,
5.
Yeah.
Ay, kinig siya sa DCWP. GMA 7.
Yeah, but so that I can learn also Filipino. There's English also sometimes.
Well,
So how many hours do you work?
Only 8 hours.
It's depend on. It's depend to us.
Oh, what? You're the managers. I told you. You're the managers. You
Nagugulat siya, no?
you control your time. Oh, it depends on you, huh? Very good, huh?
Not really.
Maybe I just work in a construction so that I can control my time, huh? That's nice, huh? It depends, okay, huh?
Gulat pa siya, no? Si Sir, nagulat si Sir.
I told you, Joaquin is very good, huh? He knows this, the Tagalog and the Spanish and the English.
Bisaya, marunong.
Oh, you're Bisaya?
Yeah. Waray. Waray upay.
Who's Waray?
Waray, province, part of the province of
Who's Waray among you?
Samar.
Oh, you're Waray?
Yes.
Okay, ha? Samar.
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 Oh,
You know Samar?
what's Samar?
You know where is Samar?
No, where's Samar?
Somewhere there in Visayas.
Oh, I've been out of Manila.
Yes.
But I've heard Philippines has Luzon,
Philippines.
Bisaya, Mindanao, right?
Yes.
So all of you are Waray?
No, no.
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 Oh, how about you, Mel? Where are you from?
Tagalog.
He's from
Manila.
India.
What?
He's from India.
Oh, you're just trying to fool me. You're an Indian,
His
huh?
name is Ramil Kumar.
What?
Ramil Kumar.
Ramil Kumar. How come he's not stinky? He smells good also. Yeah, sometimes I have Indian
Bombay.
passengers.
Bombay.
He just smells.
Bombay.
What's Bombay?
Yes, India.
Oh, Bombay.
5'6".
India.
5'6". You know?
What's
5'6"?
What's 5'6"?
Oh, utang, pera.
What?
Financing. Financing.
Financing rated.
Financing.
What?
Financing. Lending. Money.
Really?
Yeah.
May Bombay. You know Bombay? Yes,
What's Bombay?
yes, India,
They
Bombay.
ride in the motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
So you're Bombay?
No,
Because they said you're India.
it's choker.
What?
Bombay is they all that kind of food.
Part of India.
What? Bombay is a kind of food?
City.
Sibuyas? Onion. Bandat.
Okay, ha, mekus. I've seen that in the YouTube, ha.
Yeah.
Mekus. Okay, ha. So you're just in a company or you're just
Freelance.
freelance?
Freelance.
So you're not being paid
Or?
because you're free. So you're
Free, ah.
Huh? Yeah, freelance. Okay. Or I know something, ha. Free.
Chinese also is a good joker.
Well, sometimes, yeah, you should be happy and joke also because
Yeah.
life is beautiful. Huh? To watch your video in my YouTube, you can share it with your family, saying, "Oh, I'm already in YouTube." Huh? Oh, guys, thank you so much. You're helping me. Huh? Oh, if I was
Also thank you.
if I watch this video, I think
We are also thank you.
Oh, you're also thankful.
Thankful.
Oh, yeah, thankful. Thank you.
Thankful.
Thank you is for the person. Thankful is the action.
The action.
Okay, that's adjective. The other one is a noun.
Ano?
Okay.
Yes.
So you know, noun, pronoun, adverb. You know, complete subject and predicate plus helping verb.
Tayo, nauwi tayo sa eskwela.
Ano tayo?
Para talaga, schooling.
Yeah, you know, study, education is a never-ending process every
Yes.
time. I just give you one advice, okay? When you work, you should always be the best, okay? Don't work just haphazardly. You know, whatever you do, big or small, see to it that you'll always be the best. Because that's what's stated in God's Colossians 3:22 to 25. Huh? Just be your best and God will take care of the rest. Huh?
Yeah.
Because we're the best creation. When God created us, He took us 7 days to, you know, create us. That's why we're being made beautiful, you know. So in order to glorify God, we have to be the best in everything that we do. You know, even you're a carpenter, a tile setter, construction worker, driver, we should always be the best.
For 2 years driving here in the Philippines, your English is good.
Well, my English good, but I need cash.
Yun lang.
But you need cash, huh?
Yeah.
Nadali na sa Pilipino. Marunong na, no?
No, this is a common term, right? It's a common word
Common
being
word.
used by
What is your
most.
YouTube account?
Come again? You take out your cell phone and
Yeah.
you know, come
I
on,
don't
go.
forget.
Oh, you have cell phone or a bill? You're my friend. You should be the one to support me, huh?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes, yes.
so as with Joaquin, I love Joaquin, Nelson, and Aris. So see, I know the name of you already, huh? So you still remember who I am? What's my name?
Lugaw.
What's that, Lu? Gao, Mr. Gao, Lu. You know,
Kusing Kaulo.
no, Lugo, okay? Oh, where's your cell phone?
Here.
Okay, also you're the only one who will subscribe.
What is your name in YouTube?
Oh, when you subscribe, you message me and I'll shout out all of you. Huh?
Yes.
And what's the name of your company? Who is the boss?
We don't have company.
Who is the boss among you?
Hero.
Nelson.
Nelson.
Oh, Nelson, that's why he was in the center. Huh? That's the reason why.
Ano na YouTube account, sir?
Joaquin and Aris are protecting you because you're the boss.
Naisandi ngayon, no? Nasa gitna ka kasi, napapagitan ka. Son. Yeah, tama
Sir,
yun.
ano na YouTube?
Sige, you can choose for Pinoy Transporter,
Pinoy Transporter?
Manolito.
Manolito. Ah,
Yeah.
Manolito.
Oh, have you seen my YouTube?
Full signal. Manolito Transporter?
Pinoy
Pinoy Transporter.
Transporter,
Transporter.
Manolito. Maraming salamat ha.
Thank you very much.
Galing-galing niyo mag-Tagalog. Tinuruan
I
niyo
thought
ako.
you're
Oh,
speaking Tagalog.
teka, matraffic, magulo.
Sabay nagtagalog ka ng fluent, ah.
Oh, di rin maaram.
Hindi rin maaram.
Yeah, maaram lang, kuratsa.
Yan na, maaram na.
Maaram. Oh, di ba? Galing niyo magturo, sandali pa lang, natuto na ako. It's a prank! Oh, YouTube channel ko ha.
Sige, sir.
I-upload natin to ha. Salamat.